Dear students, today we will learn multiplication of fractions. Okay, so as you know that multiplication is rows multiplied by columns. Okay, and the product is derived from the meeting place of rows and columns. So again I am explaining you where rows are multiplied by columns and the product is derived from the meeting place of rows and columns. Okay, and the first number shows the rows and second number shows columns. Let's see how. Here one example, 1 by 3 multiplied by 1 by 4. So as I told you that first number or first fraction shows rows. Okay, so we need to draw 3 lines for rows and we need to shed one part, okay, of it. So let's see how. So we will draw 3 lines for rows and we need to shed one row. Let's see how. So here we have drawn 3 lines for rows and one row we have shaded. Now second fraction shows the columns. Okay, so we need to draw 4 columns. Okay, we need to draw 4 columns and shed one column. Let's see how. So here we have drawn 4 columns, okay, and we need to shed one part of it. Now we have shaded it. Now we can see that rows and columns meet at one box. Okay, this rows and columns are meeting in one box, right? So and these are 12 boxes which give denominator. So here we can see that the rows and columns meet at one box here. Okay, only one box they are meeting, right? So which gives the numerator, right? So here the numerator is 1 and there are 12 boxes which give the denominator. Okay, there are 12 boxes which give the denominator. So the answer is 1 by 12. Now if you will multiply the two numerators together and two denominators together, then also you will get the answer. Okay, that means if you will directly multiply these fractions, numerator multiplied by numerator and denominator multiplied by denominator, okay, so then also you will get the answer, right? So 1 was the 1, 3 4s are 12. So in this way also the answer will be the same. So the answer is 1 by 12. Dear students, now we will solve a few questions of my practice time 7. The first question is that find answers for the following using the above method. Above method, that means as just I explained you that how to multiply fractions, okay, through rows and columns. Okay, so use two different colors for rows and columns as we have done already. Okay, question number A, 1 by 3 multiplied by 1 by 2. So dear students, we can see here that I already told you that first number or first fraction shows the rows. So again we need to draw 3 lines for rows and we need to shed one part, okay, one part of it. So how? The same manner we will do. Okay, 3 lines for rows we have drawn and one part we have shaded. Then here the second fraction is 1 by 2. That means we need to draw 2 columns. Okay, we need to draw 2 columns here and we need to shed one column, right? Let's see how. Okay, now we have drawn 2 columns and we need to shed one part of it. Okay, now so rows and columns meet at one box. We can see here the rows and columns meet at one box. Okay, so which gives the numerator, right? So there are how many boxes? How many equal boxes are there? Okay, we can see here that 6 boxes. 6 boxes are here. So these 6 boxes gives the denominator. These 6 boxes give denominator. So the answer is 1 by 6. 1 shows numerator and 6 denominator, right? Now question number B, 1 by 5 multiplied by 1 by 2. So here 1 by 5 shows the rows part and 1 by 2 shows the column part, right? So we will draw 5 lines for rows and we will shed 1 row. As we can see here, now we need to draw 2 columns here and we will shed 1 column, right? This way. So now we can see that rows and columns, okay, here rows and columns are meeting at one box, okay. So this one box gives numerator, okay, and there are 10 boxes. We can see here there are 10 boxes which give denominator. So the answer is 1 by 10. Now question number C, here 1 by 3 multiplied by 1 by 3. So we can see here the rows are also the same and rows are column both the same, okay. So what to do? First we need to draw 3 lines for rows and shed 1 row, okay. So we have already done this, 3 lines, okay, for rows and 1 row shaded. Next again we need to draw the 3 columns, okay, and we need to shed 1 column. Let's see how. Three columns here we have already drawn here, and one we need to shed it, okay. Now we can see here that rows and columns meet at one box which gives the numerator, right, okay. And we can see here there are 9 boxes which gives denominator. 9 boxes give denominator. So what is the answer? Yes, the answer is 1 by 9. Thank you.